This exercise is the crunch. It's targeting the abdominal area. It's one of the standard exercises you should start with when working that core area. Start by placing your hands behind your head, turning your hips in towards your belly button so that you're sort of pressing already your abdominals down in towards that mat. You want to start though with a neutral spine. Don't flatten your back right out. Then in one consistent movement, slowly round your spine up, bringing the shoulder blades off the ground, and then come back down. Remember to breathe. Always exhale as you're coming up. Don't hold your breath, and then slowly inhale as you go back down. You're going to do 10 to 15 reps of this exercise. You're going to do 2 to 3 sets of this exercise, and then you're going to move on to the next exercise.